In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Copilot account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during the process. I'll also share a few helpful notes so everything goes smoothly. First, open Copilot in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. You'll know you're logged in if you can see your profile icon, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. If you're not signed in, log in with your usual credentials so the account options are available to you. Having the correct account active here is important since the deletion option is tied to the account that's currently signed in. Once you're in, click your profile icon at the bottom. This opens your account panel. At the top of that panel, click your email address. That takes you to the account area where you can manage your Copilot settings. This is the section that includes the option to remove your Copilot presence, and it's the place you want to be before proceeding. On this page, look for the Delete Account option and click it. When you do, you'll be asked to share why you're choosing to delete your Copilot. Providing feedback is optional, but it can be useful if there's a specific reason you're leaving, whether it's about features, performance, or privacy. If you don't have anything to add, that's perfectly fine. You can leave it blank and continue. After that, confirm the action by selecting Delete Copilot. This is the step that finalizes your request. Once confirmed, Copilot will process the deletion for your account. Expect to be signed out and understand that your Copilot-related data and preferences may be removed as part of this process. If you return later, you can always sign in again to start fresh, but previously deleted Copilot data won't be restored. To recap, the flow is simple. Open Copilot in your browser, make sure you're logged in, click your profile icon, select your email at the top, choose Delete Account, optionally share feedback, and confirm by clicking Delete Copilot. Take a moment to double-check you're acting on the correct account before you confirm, especially if you use multiple profiles. That's it for today's tutorial on deleting your Microsoft Copilot account. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.